to be indulged in any criminal offence. After 2 consecutive years of restricted celebration of the Behdeinkhlam festival due to the COVID pandemic, the festival will be celebrated with all Pomp and Gaiety from July 11th to 14th this year. Saint Rajoi President O.R. Shalom said yesterday that Behdeinkhlam festival is literally a festival to chase away plague and sickness and invoke heavenly blessing for good harvests. He said that the prime attraction of this year's celebration is in commemoration of Meghalaya's 50 years of attaining statehood and 75 years of India's independence. The Behdeinkhlam festival is supported by the Ministry of Tourism, NEC, State Government and JHADC. Shalom also informed that the visitors gallery sponsored by the Union Ministry of Tourism is almost complete and visitors can witness Behdeinkhlam comfortably.
Kawa MD khang ikro daya upnihan persen ulit persen kamajo le hiliman distan kiwana chwa hagan igasnem kada to ya ta kholang haro ko wa ka jin le kaman le snyam ha idap yong kastir yong ni san khau to dikisnem kamjo wa ilachi neibro lanya khau san to dikisnem